Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add a new account in Windows 11. Whether you want to connect your Outlook, Gmail, or another email service, this guide will walk you through the entire process clearly so you can manage your accounts with ease. First, move your cursor to the Start icon at the bottom and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Settings to open the Windows 11 Settings panel. Next, in the Settings window, locate and click on Accounts. After that, click on Email and Accounts. Here you'll see any accounts already linked to your computer. Now click on Add Account. A new window will appear, asking you to choose the type of account you want to add. You can select Outlook, Gmail, or other email services depending on your preference. If you choose Outlook, sign in using your Microsoft credentials. Once you're logged in, Windows will automatically sync your information and add your account successfully. And that's how you can easily add an account in Windows 11. It only takes a few clicks to connect your email and sync your data. Subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.